How do you guys sort it out?
No, this is actually a big learning experience, and plus we have loads of fun in the workshop. We have got an entire workshop, a big room allocated for us in the campus itself, and we get special permission to stay out late in the night.
Okay.
So we have lots of night outs in the workshop. We stay up the entire night, and we also have got a point system, a point system for the person who works the most.
Who works the most?
Yeah,
okay.
and we actually put up a board in the workshop. So who gives an extra time, they get more points. So this is a small system that we carried around so that more people put in effort.
And if you come on top of the point system, what is the benefit?
You get a small reward or something, like for example, a lunch sponsored by the other team members or something.
Okay, nothing like take the plane home, it's yours. No. Okay, Samirata, to get you in here. Now, who's a prankster in the team? Whenever everybody's working, the one guy who tries to give, oh, the plane flew, or some false alarms, or give false hopes, or pull someone's legs.
Okay, I would say the prankster is avionics head Sridhar.
Okay.
He keeps fooling around in the workshop and
he's a lecturer.
Stuff like.
No, he's the head of the.
Okay. Head of the avionics department.
Okay, there's different heads for different departments.
Yeah.
Okay.
We have sponsorship. We have the mechanical design, and avionics, the electronics.
So it's a full-fledged aeronautical company in that campus. Okay, so avionics head. What does he do?
He cracks jokes on anyone and everyone. I mean, even if we are supposed to be the seniors of him, he's a third-year guy, and he doesn't really bother about those things. He can just crack jokes, make fun of anyone in the workshop anytime.
Okay.
And we
including you. Okay. Is there the whole thing? He's a senior most. He's 1 year more. No. He's senior. Nothing like that.
No, I mean that's not the kind of relationship we share within the team. That's there in the hostel. All of us, in fact, are hostelites in the team. It just happened to be that way.
Okay.
It was not intended, but it's that way. And in the hostel, the scene is a little different. The relationship between juniors and seniors are a little different from what we share within the team.
Correct. Okay. So who's the strict? Who's the most serious guy? No jokes, no laughing. Always thinking of flying the plane.
I think it would be Jeet. His name is Jeet, and he's in the aerodynamic design of it.
Okay, he's always strict.
Yeah, kind of.
So what next now? You guys are going to Georgia. So who all are going to Georgia? When you're going, and what is the plan of action once you go to Georgia? What are your goals once you're in Georgia?
Okay, we'll be actually the competition is in April from 3rd to 5th. It's in Georgia. The whole team will be traveling, including a faculty advisor.
Okay.
And over there, there are 3 actually phases. The first phase is a technical inspection, where we have sent a design report to them, so they know all the dimensions. So basically, they check the actual model for those dimensions, and we'll be penalized if we actually deviate from it or something like that. And once that is done, once we pass the technical inspection, we'll have a technical presentation of the whole project, how we went about the design process and all that. And after that, it'll be flying. It'll be only flying. And basically, the competition includes 3 classes: a regular class, micro class, and open class. These classes are like, they have different set of rules for the competition, and we are participating in the regular class. So each round, all these 3 classes planes will be allowed to fly, and once you fly your plane, you're successful, and then you can come back in the next round and put more payload and again fly.
Okay, so it's like it keeps on getting tougher and tougher. Yeah. So Adarsh, what are your expectations now that you're going there? What are your expectations? Last year the team finished 18th. Yeah. So what are your expectations this year?
That's actually a big milestone that's set for us, because 18 out of 40 teams was a really big achievement. So this year there are 65 teams competing for us.
Okay.
So we have to repeat our performance, and if not, do better than last time. So we're looking at finishing in the top 10.
Okay.
So that is one of our prime goals as of now.
So is there any difference if you finish in the top 10? Will you guys get another opportunity to go at a higher scale or something? How does it grade?
No, this is actually the biggest event. This is conducted by an organization called SAE, Society of Automotive Engineers. So they conduct this competition. So we are looking at something after the competition, something big after the competition. So we've got a company, as I told you, Do Technologies. So we are thinking of working with them, and then the avionics, because they deal in aviation technology.
Okay, so maybe take it forward somewhere. Yeah. So Samya, you know your competition once you go there, 65 teams. So where do you expect the biggest competition to come from for your team?
Like last year, from what we heard from our seniors, from Naveen, the Brazilian teams are pretty good there, because they have been coming there for many years now.
Okay.
So they are one of the best teams there. And otherwise also the teams from US, they got a lot of funding from the universities itself. Don't have to run around for funds like we had to here.
Okay.
And they have their own material research facility, and for us it's like availability of the material is quite difficult.
Okay.
So it makes a lot of difference.
Okay, so you feel the Brazilians and the US teams will compete hard. Yeah. So, Naveen, now you've been a part of it last year. You are also part of this year. So how do you see this progressing? Where do you see this going on? This project, which started as a college project, now is taking a wings of its own. It's taking its own life, becoming such a big thing for the whole college. So where do you see it going from here?
Actually, we have plans to make a completely automated aircraft. So we are well on course. Like last time we had worked only on the mechanical part of it. Now we are trying to integrate avionics, and then we'll be using GPS and all that in the avionics part. And our plan is to make it, you know, an application-based UAV. It can be used for flood controls. People have used it before for agriculture also. So we have to make we intend to make something like that in the future.
So make it more useful to real life. Yeah. Okay. Others, last word from you. What do you want to say to the students of Bengaluru? All of them will be looking at you guys going out and representing the student community per se. So what is that one thing you want to tell them? Like if they have any dreams of doing something, what is that one thing you want to say?
There's nothing. Just chase your dreams. Just don't let anything stop you. Just go behind it. No matter how hard it is in the starting, there's some way or the other out of any problem. Then finally you'll reach there.
Okay. So chase your dreams.
Yeah, chase your dreams in simple words.
Well, very simple words there. Chase your dreams, and if your dreams start flying away, no problem. Build your own plane and start flying behind your dream. That's what these amazing boys from RV College of Engineering have done. Thank you, Naveen. Thank you, Adarsh, and thank you, Soumya, for coming here and being a part of this discussion. That is Team Vyoma, the team which is flying off to Georgia to represent their college, to represent the dream that they've built. It's taken them a year to build it, another more year to make it better. We just hope that they do it better than last year. Last year they were 18th. This time let's just hope that, like their dreams, let them come in the top 10. All the best, guys, and do well.
Thanks a lot.
Well, that's all we have in this special Youngistan Aeronautics Limited. To catch the big news live, keep watching News 9.